Okay, so little disclaimer, I just noticed for the entirety of the video I didn't plug in my microphone. Like the microphone is on the camera, I just didn't plug it in. So I'm really sorry about the audio quality. You're probably gonna hear a lot of background noises. This was so bad. I even reconsidered of redoing this entire thing, but it took me too long. I already did this twice. I'm really sorry. Let's just get into the tutorial. Ew, I look really bad. Anyway, hello, welcome. In this video, I'm gonna show you how I do my hijab slash wig slash hair, whatever you want to call it, for Kamui. I'm doing his 3Z version because I don't have his Canon outfit. But let's get started. With your square hijab, as usual, fold it in half diagonally so it creates a big triangle, and just put this in the middle on top of your head, as you do, because we're going to make the base. And as you've noticed, I haven't ironed this. That's because this specific fabric of cotton won't be as noticeable even if you don't iron it. There's a lot of other cosplays that I did with this same fabric and you can't really see the wrinkles anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Grab your needle, your stock needle, spin these in place, just pin these two, so we should have a clean base. So both sides should be the same length, as you can see. What we're gonna do next is, what is this? There's something, oh, it's a bead. Wow. What you're gonna do is, a little pro tip is, instead of just flipping it over, you actually scrunch it. You scrunch it up and then you flip it over. What this does is it creates volume. As you can see there, creates volume. And the second most important thing is to leave extra fabric here, because what we're gonna do with this is we're going to flip it up for his front bangs, and do the same on the other side. You scrunch it up, flip it over, fix anything you want. You should end up with the same length. It's fine if one side is a bit longer than the other, because we're going to flip it up. This part here, you don't have to worry as much yet, because we're going to fix it in the end. What you're going to do here is pin these two down so it's secure when we flip them over. Now that these two are in place, what we're going to do now is take this, oh wait, I forgot. Push this in the middle so you have like a rough base on where this piece of fabric is supposed to end up, like this. Okay, and just pin it in place and repeat it on the other side. Okay, so this is very rough. But before we fix all that, we have to do the actual braid on his hair. Now this part is really easy, because what you're gonna do is grab both part from the back and just braid it. That's it, to be honest. I forgot if his braid was like on the left side or on the right side, but it shouldn't really matter, since you can just flip it over to the other side if you want. Now I wanted to keep it on his left side. See? there, his little braid is done. I'm just going to use a needle or a safety pin if you want to secure this in place. That should do the trick. So his hair is done. Now we can fix any part that we want. Maybe I'm going to fix this part, like the front of his hair, so it looks better in general. And we're back. So this is the full cosplay. This is how it should look like. The back should look clean because we only used the back part for the braid, so you can do this for cons. You don't have to worry about having an ugly back side. But if you really worry about that, I guess you can use a mannequin for it. But that's it for the tutorial. Thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful. You can recommend me any character you want to see in the comment section down below. This was really fun to do. I haven't cosplayed from Gintama in a while, so this was refreshing at least. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. It's all so bad on camera.